In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Todoist Karma to track your productivity and actually see the progress you're making over time. Karma is a clever little system built right into Todoist that rewards you with points as you complete tasks and stay consistent, turning your everyday productivity into something you can watch grow. It's surprisingly motivating once you start paying attention to it. Let's dive in. Over in the sidebar, you'll find an option called Reporting. I'll click on that now, and this opens up your personal productivity dashboard, the home of all your Karma and progress. The first thing you'll notice is your Karma score and the trend line that goes along with it. Every time you complete a task, add a due date, or use advanced features, you earn Karma points, and as those points build up, you climb through levels with fun names, starting at beginner and working your way up toward enlightened. Watching that line trend upward is genuinely satisfying. You'll also see your daily and weekly completion charts right here. These show you exactly how many tasks you've finished each day and each week, so you can spot your most productive days and notice patterns in how you work. Now here's something powerful. You can set yourself a daily goal and a weekly goal, a target number of tasks to complete. Todoist then tracks you against those goals and helps you build a streak where you hit your target day after day. Keeping that streak alive becomes a wonderfully addictive little habit. Check in on this view every so often, maybe at the end of your week, and use it to celebrate what you've accomplished and gently push yourself to keep the momentum going. It turns productivity into a game you actually want to play. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.